We'd like to introduce Stern's sensor kit for urinals, which is comprised of 3 components: the sensor, the solenoid valve and the power source. The power source is connected directly to the sensor, and the sensor is also connected to the solenoid valve. The solenoid valve allows for the water to either flush or not to flush. Make a hole of the appropriate size by using the installation guide as a reference. The Prox sensor should then be inserted, and from the rear side the black gasket, the metal plate and the brass O-ring should be put in place and tightened until the Prox sensor is firmly secured. Once the Prox sensor is secured in place, connect the solenoid valve and the power source. For installations of the Prox sensor in solid walls without back access, we have a front fixation kit. A tube is installed into the wall, making an exit channel below the faucet, urinal or WC. Place the sensor in the PVC pipe and tighten the 2 Allen screws provided. The power source should also be inserted through the tube, and the Prox sensor should then be fastened directly to the tube via the screw holes on the top and the bottom. A key water-saving feature of the Prox sensor for urinals is the delay in time. Once the user stands within sensor range for the preset amount of time, the sensor recognises the user in front of the urinal. Then, only once the user is done and walks away will the sensor activate the flush. Thank you for watching this video. Contact us at Stern anytime for more information.